In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Instagram email. Basically, if you can't remember the email you used to create your Instagram account, then you can easily find it using your phone. The process should be the same for both Android and iPhones. All you need to do is to tap on your picture on the bottom here, and then it will take you to this page. Now under this, tap on your menu icon on these three bars, and then this will take you to your settings and activity page. Under this, look for the option called Account Center, and now here is the Account Center. If I tap on it, down here under Account Settings, you'll be able to see Personal Details. So if you go ahead and tap on your Personal Details, this will display your personal details, among them contact information, and you'll be able to see your email address, and mine is here. Also, you'll be able to see your birthday. If you go again and tap on contact information, it will still show your email alone. And on this page, you can still add a new contact. So that's how you find your email on Instagram. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.